Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. To the right is the airport. I just saw a plane go overhead and I was like, dang. I was just funny because I was just sitting here thinking about like how Saipan is kind of small. When you look at the map, you know, the airport is like the whole southern, it feels like it's a southern tip. So it's like, wow, you know, it's kind of, like I feel like if you're down to the south, basically the whole airport is there, and it's kind of true. And then as soon as I was thinking that, the plane goes overhead and like, dang, I'm actually like right next to the airport. Anyways, kind of interesting. I'll see if I can show you a map. Gotta get the map ready, of course. Okay, there it is. So you can see how the airport is basically the entire thing. So, okay, I'm driving at the same time, so yeah, so there's the airport right there. So Saipan International Airport, and it feels like it takes up like half, like that whole southern tip. It was just like 10 minutes ago, I was right there, and I'm down here. This is like halfway. This is the other half, so yeah, it's amazingly small. So interesting. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you can see those, but there's some parachutes. There's 1, 2, 3. So I jumped out of an airplane near the airport. So I don't know, it's kind of funny. Fly a plane. I guess not. I don't know enough about it, so what do I know? It's called the Saipan Divers, so I guess they dive right by the airport, I guess. Not that many planes coming in and out, so I guess it's not that crazy. I don't really know. Anyways, we're kind of oddly near the airport, so I'm gonna just kind of curious what this building is to the right. So I'm just gonna film that while we go by it, and then I'm going to turn off the camera again for a while. What is that? It looks like it's abandoned, like many things here. I think I saw that when I came in the morning, this morning. Okay. Dang, this got some views here. I'm gonna open up this window again, but there's like a bunch of, there's like 5 or 6 parachutes up there. Dang. I guess Saipan is a popular place to go diving, I guess. And this right here is the airport. Okay. International Terminal number 2. So this is actually the airport. Just gonna drive through it, it's so small. International airport right there. This place was so busy when I came in this morning at 4. Sichuan Air, Jeju Air, United Air. Okay. Okay, here's the airport from a little bit of a distance. That's really tiny. When I came in this morning in the airport, I'll just kind of explain the situation, but when I came in, there's another plane that landed as well, so they basically were like yelling to stop all the second plane of people, which was me, and telling them, hey, you know, like you guys can't go to the line because you guys might get mixed in with the other passengers from the other plane, which doesn't make any sense to me. So, but anyways, but it's like they didn't have any organization, so they could have, you know, maybe put some guardrails or done something, but instead there was like 2 people trying to corral, you know, 80 people or 180 people or whatever was on the plane. So, like really ridiculous, because everybody's trying to get to the counters to get in line, but they wouldn't let you get in line. So the other line ended, and they were trying to like stop us from. So anyways, it was kind of funny, and then I saw that I had a U.S. passport, so I could go to a different line. So I was going to go in that line. But then what happened there was there's another plane that was boarding, so all the people that board that plane have to go through the same spot. So then they actually had a place to block us off at that place from going any further. But it's just like, wow, it's really there's only like 3 planes. There's like 2 planes landing at the same time and one that was going out, and it was complete unorganized chaos of how to get those people on that plane to go out and how to keep the 2 from mixing. That were landing, so I don't know. I thought it was really funny, but it is what it is. Part of the Saipan deal, I guess. Giant Church of Christ. Just give a little background. Oh, there's a Baptist church right there. But I think it's kind of funny because I used to spend a lot more time in the Philippines, and there's always these churches of Christ everywhere. Actually, that's kind of funny. I just went by a car and they have the same radio station as me. I was just thinking like, dang, here's the pawn shop, okay. These little McDonald's things, I see them everywhere. All of them have McDonald's on it. But actually I just went by a car and so they had the same station as, there's only like, I think I went through the stations earlier, so it's maybe like 6 maybe. But you know, this is the best one that I have right here. This is kind of the only one with island stuff. So, and now we're kind of on the main road, so I'm gonna try to take a left though. Sunrise in. And there's a college straight ahead. Actually, what I'm gonna try to do is get in that college. You can see the sign right there. Northern Marianas College. Okay. Chiquinha, chiquinha.